IList vs IEnumerable. IList collection is subset of IEnumerable. Here are the main differences. Let's first look at IList. IList exists in System.Collections Namespace. IList is used to access an element in a specific position, index in a list. Like IEnumerable, IList is also best to query data from in-memory collections like list, array, etc. IList is useful when you want to add or remove items from the list. IList can find out the no of elements in the collection without iterating the collection. IList supports deferred execution. IList doesn't support further filtering. Now let's talk about IEnumerable. IEnumerable exists in System.Collections Namespace. IEnumerable can move forward only over a collection, it can't move backward and between the items. IEnumerable is best to query data from in-memory collections like list, array, etc. IEnumerable doesn't support add or remove items from the list. Using IEnumerable, we can find out the no of elements in the collection after iterating the collection. IEnumerable supports deferred execution. IEnumerable supports further filtering. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more similar videos. Thanks again.